for one steak.
For one steak that
And
you
so
normally...
I was talking to the Lord about it, and I said, I can't justify spending $27 for a steak. I just can't do it. I guess I'll just have to go to hamburger. It's cheaper to eat salmon, but I ate salmon for 8 years when I didn't eat beef because I was wrongfully misled. And so for 8 years I didn't eat any beef, but I ate salmon during that 8 years, and chicken. I don't eat chicken no more because of all the steroids and stuff that they put in them. So, and I'll eat chicken if it comes from a farm, local farm. But I won't eat chicken from a store. So anyway, so the reason why I brought up salmon is that I've eaten salmon so much that I just, even though it's used to be more expensive than beef, but now it's cheaper than beef, but I'm just burned out on it. So I have a salmon in the freezer in the truck that's been there since the beginning of last summer. And I just haven't gotten around to eating it because I just don't feel like eating it. But I guess I'll just have to start eating a hamburger because I got to have beef for my dieting. It's very, very important to have the proteins and the vitamins you get from eating red meat. And so I'll have to eat some kind of red meat. So I guess I'll be eating hamburgers.
Yeah, which is poor man's steak, I guess.
Yeah.
But
so that's how I'm gonna run to town and go get some vegetables and meat.
for the truck, grocery shopping for the truck.
Yeah. So.
that from the grocery store. Oh, you should have looked for that detergent.
What detergent?
That odor
I
can.
was just there yesterday.
And you said you couldn't find. You looked for it yesterday.
Mm-hmm. Well, it smells party in there.
So is that all the vacuuming you're gonna do on the truck then?
Yeah, unless somebody tracks something in there.
That's a big old bag of cheese. It's huge. Oh, here, your oranges.
Are you beating up my food?
No, I got
No, it's kind of hard to take in, but yeah, that's the closest thing to material there is.
I got your beaner hat washed up for you.
My Peter hat.
Your Kevin Harvick hat that you're wearing. I got that washed up for you yesterday.
Oh,
Got all the grease out of it.
all right. Well, I'm gonna take this to the other door now.
Are you actually going to drive with that on the tailgate?
Yeah, unless you get ran over.
Ah! Wow, it didn't fall off.
What?
It didn't fall off. Now, I locked up that
Well, I
door.
didn't floorboard it either.